Studying in 2026 without AI is like trying to build a website using plain HTML and Notepad. You are spending hours on tasks that could take seconds. In this video, I will reveal 5 game-changing free AI tools every student needs right now to save 10 hours a week, write flawless research papers, and ace every exam. We will cover automated paper analysis, instant flashcard generation, real-time math solvers, and smart note-taking platforms that summarize entire textbooks. Make sure to stick around until the end because I will show you a secret prompt template that turns any PDF into a custom study guide automatically. Let us dive right into the first tool. Our first tool is NotebookLM by Google. Go to notebooklm.google.com and click Create New Notebook. Next, click Upload Sources and drop in your syllabus, lecture slides, or a 300-page PDF textbook. Once uploaded, click Generate Audio Overview on the right dashboard panel. In less than 2 minutes, the AI generates a hyper-realistic studio podcast where 2 host voices discuss your exact study materials, breaking down complex concepts into simple audio dialogues. On the left side panel, click Chat and type Summarize Key Takeaways from Chapter 4. Watch as it outputs exact page citations and precise bullet points directly from your documents. Second on our list is Elicit, the ultimate AI research assistant for academic papers. Open Elicit.com and type your research question into the main search bar, such as what are the effects of sleep deprivation on memory retention? Press enter and Elicit scans over 200 million peer-reviewed papers on Semantic Scholar. Click the table view option to see synthesized summaries, methodologies, and participant sample sizes side by side. Click Export as CSV to download structured citations directly into your reference manager like Zotero. You will never spend late nights manually reading through dozens of irrelevant journal abstracts ever again. For math, physics, and chemistry, you need Symbolab AI combined with Mathway 2026. Navigate to Symbolab.com and click the camera icon to upload a photo of your handwritten calculus problem or differential equation. Alternatively, type the equation directly using the mathematical keyboard panel. Click Step-by-Step Solution to see the complete mathematical breakdown. Look at the right sidebar and toggle Explain each step to view detailed explanations for every algebraic transformation. If you are stuck on a specific rule like integration by parts, click Practice similar problems to solve generated practice questions with immediate feedback. Next up is Claude 3.5 Sonnet by Anthropic for writing, coding, and essay structuring. Head over to Claude.ai and start a new chat. Paste your draft essay and type the following prompt: review this paper for logical flow, transition strength, and tone clarity. Do not rewrite my work, highlight weak arguments and suggest structural improvements. Click Submit and observe artifacts open on the right side of your screen. The interactive artifact window displays a split-screen view showing your original text on the left and annotated suggestions with color-coded feedback cards on the right. When you need to create polished presentation slides in under 5 minutes, use Gamma app. Visit gamma.app and click Create New with AI. Then select Presentation. Type your topic, such as Machine Learning Fundamentals in Healthcare, and choose 8 slides. Select a clean template from the theme gallery and click Generate. Gamma builds visually stunning slides complete with icons, formatted tables, interactive diagrams, and AI-generated image layouts. Click on any text box to edit content directly or click the AI Rewrite button to instantly condense paragraphs into concise bullet points ready for your class presentation. Before using these tools, you must avoid 3 critical mistakes that ruin academic integrity and grades. Mistake number 1 is copy-pasting raw AI text directly into your assignments without verification. Always double-check facts and citations, as AI models can produce realistic-looking hallucinations. Mistake number 2 is failing to disclose AI tool usage when required by your professor's syllabus. Always run your text through Turnitin or check institutional guidelines. Pro tip: use AI as a tutor to test your knowledge with active recall prompts rather than writing work for you. This builds genuine subject mastery while saving time. To recap, combine Google NotebookLM for textbook audio summaries, Elicit for peer-reviewed research, Symbolab for step-by-step STEM problem solving, Claude 3.5 Sonnet for writing feedback, and Gamma for presentation slides. Integrating this exact AI stack into your weekly workflow will cut your study time in half while improving your GPA. Check the description box below for direct links to all 5 free AI tools and my free downloadable prompt template pack for students. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell notification for more cutting-edge AI productivity tutorials.